Welcome. This is a beautiful home in the heart of St. Johns County. St. Johns County has so much to offer a family, especially if you're just moving here for the first time. St. Johns County has great schools, great amenities, fantastic activities for the whole family to enjoy. But you know what? My favorite thing is that this home is in a community where you can ride your bike to the elementary schools and middle schools. How fun is that? If you're ready to buy or you're interested in learning more about St. Johns County, give me a call. I'd love to help you in any way.